Hey YouTube, this is Martian. I'll be going over reverse engineering, covering Advent of Cyber 2023. Let's get straight to it. I have started my virtual machine in the TryHackMe environment, and the learning objectives for today is experience how to navigate an unfamiliar legacy system, learn about DOS and its connection to its contemporary, the Windows command prompt, discover the significance of file signatures and magic bytes in data recovery and file system analysis. DOS may already be familiar to you for anyone who has ever used the command prompt. So let's scroll down and take a look at the DOS commands. We have change directory, dir, however you want to call it, type, cls, help, and edit. These are the very limited amount of commands you can use in this example, but we are going to be able to use them all today. So first things first, I'm going to click into the DOS box on the desktop. And it looks like on initial start, we have a banner, and this is where CLS comes into play. We want to go ahead and clear our screen. Okay, clearing our screen. Let's go ahead and see what's in this directory. So we have dev games, notes, TC tools, AC 2023. Looks like a backup file. And we have plan, which is a text file. Just making a note as we go. I can see already that the size of that text file is 12,704. So let's go ahead down here and look at our first question there. How large in bytes is the AC 2023.back file? So we have 12,704. Okay, so we have next question. What's the name of our backup program? So let's go ahead and see what's in plan.txt. In plan.txt, the thing that sticks out to me the most is the troubleshooting section. And it looks like the file signature is cut off a bit, should read AC. So just making a note of any magic bytes. If these bytes do not match, the file will not be compatible or may be corrupted. So keeping up with that and moving forward. Let's see what's next in the challenge. So they want us to go to tool/backup. So let's go ahead and do that. I had to type this out, cd c tools backup. And let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have an executable in this directory. This is where we have to use this executable to run that backup file. So let's go for it. Clear my screen. Let's go ahead and run that executable against the backup file. So we have AC 2023. So we have the troubleshooting notes. We had them from plan.txt, but we can go over and use the text editor to open readme.txt. Just to show what's in this directory again. Type in edit, readme. So now we have the text editor open. It looks like the name of this program is Backup Master 3000. So let's keep up with that. Backup Master. Okay. And clicking back into the program here. Let's go down and scroll through to read through this to make sure it's the exact same. Yep, the troubleshooting is the same, except for now inside of the text editor, we can see all of the content. Okay, let's use Alt F arrow down to exit, exit the program. So now we know Backup Master 3000 specifically is expecting the executable to have the magic bytes of 4143 in order to execute successfully. Now let's take a look at magic bytes and their most common files. So we have here PNG, we have GIFs, we have DOS and Windows executables, Linux executables, and MP3 audio files. Windows is usually 4D5A. Those would be the most common, well, the most recognizable that you would see in the field for when you're conducting forensics on files specifically. So here, TryHackMe wants us to create our own DOS executable. So I'm clearing my screen here, and we're going to navigate to C/dev/hello. And we're going to see what's in this directory. We have one file, looks like, in this directory, and it's hello.c. And we can use the turbo compiler to get this open. So we have TC. Here we have a pretty standard print statement for a hello world. Now we're going to compile this C program. So let's go Alt-C. And going down to build all. Let's see how long that takes. Okay, so yeah, so we have the success prompt. This is where you press any key. I just used the space bar. And now we have hello.exe. Same thing to exit this program. Let's go Alt-F and go down to quit. Just quit instead of exit because this is an actual compiler. Now let's see what's in this directory. So we have hello.c and hello.exe. To further confirm that we have compiled our program successfully, let's go to the text editor on hello.exe. And we have the magic bytes of MZ, and we have the rest of the contents in this file, which are not human readable. The only thing we can read is MZ. That indicates that this is indeed a Windows executable. So go on here, let's exit out of that. Keeping that in mind for how we viewed and compiled this successfully. Let me clear my screen. We're going to go down into our actual challenge and try to open up AC2023.back. From here, you can CD directly, change directories directly back to, was it tools/backup? Make sure we're in here. Yep. So we have the README and the executable in here, and we need to try to get this executable to run successfully against the backup file. So let's open the backup file. See, we can open it from here. And we have XX. Now, keeping in mind that the program is expecting 4143 for its magic bytes in this case. So we're going to get rid of XX 4143. Just an example. Right? This would be an example of what you want to do initially. Would be to go in and plug in these numbers expecting them to work, but they're not going to work. So you're going to have to convert the ASCII text into a string. In this case, it would be AC. And then we're going to close this program out. Let's go F. Exit. And the cursor is already on yes. I'm going to select yes. Now we're going to actually run Bummaster. Or is it exe c /ac and we have the flag. So we got the executable to read the backup file successfully by reverse engineering the incorrect magic byte for the backup master 3000 to retrieve the flag, or in this case, just simply run the program successfully. So scrolling down, let's check the last two. Correct bytes should be 4143. Keeping in mind that we are going to use AC for ASCII string to text. And we have our flag by running the program successfully already here. And that's it, folks. That's it for reverse engineering Advent of Cyber Day 5.